One of my office friends is getting married and she's going to Malaysia. Before she leaves, I want to give her something small but very, very special. So naturally, I decided to spend hours making tiny tulips by hand. We spent years working together, meetings, deadlines, random breaks, all the little things that somehow became memories later. And now she's starting a completely new chapter. These tulips won't wilt, and I think that's why I love the idea. Some friendships don't fade, they just change places. I've always loved making things by hand, but this one felt a little more personal. Somewhere between making petals and fixing crooked stems, it stopped feeling like just a craft project. It started feeling like a memory I could give her. A few hours, way too many glue strings, and tiny emotional moments later, the bouquet was finally ready. Now, all that was left was figuring out what to wear. And then it was finally time to give it to her. I think handmade gifts will always mean a little more.